Man, AMC stock in the overall market today, absolutely volatile. It was crazy to watch the NASDAQ go down to around 12,400 points and then soar back up to 13,300 plus points. And AMC stock no different. Pre-market sitting at $13 and I think 77 cents before soaring all the way back up to around $18 per share. This is not normal. The times that we are investing in right now are not typical. We need to remember that. And we've been talking recently about how this pullback that we're seeing since October, November, the drastic decline in prices that we've been experiencing are not typical. And a lot of people might be calling for the fact that we have hit a bottom now. We had very, very high volatility to the downside, a very strong recovery to the upside, but I believe it's going to take a little bit more than what we got today. So let's talk about what we've got today. Let's talk about where AMC could continue to go and what we need to see happen in order for AMC and the overall market to continue rising again. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you get a link in the description for Webull. Very simple to set up your account. $100 deposit. I believe it's going to get you at least 5 free stocks right now. And then any $1 crypto trade gets you at least 5 free dollars in your choice of free cryptocurrency. And then you guys get crypto exclusive exchanges in the description if you'd like those as well. Now, guys, clearly we know what's going on. We know why the market was down so big today, and we know that we've got a little clarity that drove it higher. So let's take a look at this. AMC stock down big, obviously because of all of the tensions going on over in Russia, the invasion of Ukraine, and all of the innocent people over there who our hearts are just absolutely going out to. I mean, yes, we feel for everybody over there. And it's an immense mix of emotions right now. People are concerned about what's going on here in the stock market. People are concerned about what's going on there and the lives and safety of everybody that lives over in that area. And it's very, very dark and very deep times that we are living in right now. And that fear, not some fear that comes from a hedge fund or comes from mass media or anything like that. The fear that people are facing is causing some drastic declines in the stock market. The unknown is causing drastic declines in AMC stock. And today we were offered a little clarity. You know, as we were going to sleep last night, as people were waking up across the globe, we didn't know what to expect, not just in the stock market, not just in our portfolios, but literally for people's lives. We did not know what to expect. And that transferred over into our economies and stock markets across the world down. You know, fears in portfolios causing losses, in red just bleeding, companies just bleeding. And then we were offered a little bit of clarity. Now, whether or not you guys agree with what was announced earlier today by the administration here in the United States, that's not up for debate here. But what it did offer was some clarity on the direction that we are currently taking. Now, whether you think it's good or bad, it did give us that clarity, and investors feel very comfortable when they know what to expect. Because of that, we saw money flowing back into stocks, we saw people buying the dip, and we saw companies and exchanges rising in value. Now, that certainly doesn't justify anything that's going on. It certainly doesn't make it any easier, and I understand that. I know that everybody out there understands that. Okay, and there's a fine line you got to walk between being respectful and being responsible and taking care of your own portfolios and your own finances as well. Nobody should ever be ashamed to make money in the stock market, regardless of the direction that it is going. But just be respectful to everybody right now and have your hearts go out to everybody who's affected by the situation that's going on right now. But AMC, absolutely soaring in value because of margin calls. I don't know. Some people are posting stories about Swiss banks sending out margin calls because Russian bonds are absolutely worthless now. There's a lot of that floating around. Do I think it directly impacts the price of AMC? Probably not. I would say we've got a much larger impact on the fact that we were offered clarity. A lot of people didn't know what we were going to start today. A lot of people didn't know how today was going to finish. And I'm not the guy to make the decision on this. But I do know that the violence on our end is towards monetary sanctions at this point in time. Will it escalate? I can't determine that. I don't think anybody can determine that right now. But I can determine this, okay? I have a decision to make, just like you have a decision to make. We can move forward and we can spread hate or we can spread love. Regardless of what I think, regardless of who I agree and who I disagree with, I can tell you that I have a conscious decision that needs to be made sometimes in an ongoing basis, that words are powerful, and I choose to speak love into as many situations as possible. Now, I know this is a little detached from AMC right now, and I know it's a little bit detached, but I just want everybody out there to realize that. Your words have power, and it's no different. Don't destroy the community that is being built up right now. And the AMC stock community bouncing back from $13 to $18 is what we need to see. But we need to keep moving forward. We don't move forward separated. We move forward together. And we need to make sure that we absolutely keep that as a focus. AMC is not United States exclusive. AMC is a worldwide movement for the financial well-being of everybody across the globe that owns shares of AMC. It is our time, but it is our time to stay together, and it is our time to continue encouraging one another that AMC stock is the MOAS. AMC stock short squeeze is what we are here for, and it's our time to hold these financial institutions accountable for shorting in such quantities that they have done. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, I want to see nothing but people building each other up, nothing but encouragement, and no expectations other than the fact that we are here for a reason, we are here together, and we will remain together until this play is over. So encourage us in the comments below, and if this button right here is still red, you guys know what to do. Click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You got Webull, Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com in the description below. Each of those have their own rewards, so if you guys are brand new to investing, now could be a great time to get in, assuming everything going forward stays the course that it's on right now. Now, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.